Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to Google Docs using Google Drive easy way. So guys, if you want to convert PDF to Google Docs using Google Drive easy way, so very easy. Firstly, open any Chrome browser. After click on Nandocs. After click on Drive. Click on My Drive. Click on Upload Files. Select any files. Click on Open. Now running download. After right click on Open with, click on Google Docs. There it is. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to convert PDF to Google Docs using Google Drive easy way. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.